Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the stock of DIDI Global INC, and you can see a sharp trading move on the downside, a 22% decline. Overall, the trend is not looking good. We will discuss about that later, but let's see what's happening as far as this stock is concerned. So let's open multiple news over here. Let's see what's happening over here. Also BBC. So it is from Reuters, and DD shares plunge more than 20% on a plan to delist from NYSE. Now, just 5 months after the debut, ride-hailing giant DIDI said it plans to withdraw from New York Stock Exchange and pursue a Hong Kong listing, a stunning reversal as it bends to Chinese regulator angered by its US IPO. Also, I think this is the same news with different lines, obviously. So the firm has come under intense pressure since its US debut in July. Within days of IPO, Beijing announced a crackdown on technology companies. Earlier on Thursday, the US market watchdog unveiled tough new rules for Chinese firms that list in America. Following careful research, a company will immediately start delisting on NYSE and start preparations for listing in Hong Kong, the company said on its account on Weibo, China's Twitter-like microblogging network. Now, see, there are a couple of things which you need to understand. Firstly, it is completely clear that there is geopolitics behind this, delisting. So first, this is the first point. Second point, they are clearly saying that they are delisting it from NYSE, and they will start preparation for the relisting in Hong Kong exchange. So do not compare and connect that anyhow it's going to relist in the Hong Kong exchange, so that we need not to be we need not to be worried about the current crash, because it will again move on the upside because of the relisting and all those things. See, these are different issues. They are doing something differently, so do not connect these both of these things. And if you do not understand, better keep yourself away from these kind of issues, because uh, when people when people who have chunks of holdings, they started selling, it doesn't matter how much shares or how many shares you are buying, 50 or 100, market will keep you on the particular stock on its foot, and you are going to suffer. So do not try to do something which is cursed by, geopolitical tensions. And this is clear example, though BBC is not using that line, but it's Reuters that is saying that a stunning reversal as it bends to Chinese regulators angered by it. So Chinese regulators, or the political parties from China, is definitely become very angry by its IPO. So for their survival, they are listing it within their territories, nothing else. So if you do not understand, keep yourself away. Now, as far as the price chart is concerned, obviously from the IPO, it say 16 or $17. Now, if you are looking at this particular chart as well, so breakdown has already happened. 1, 2, 3, 4. A breakdown has already happened. So below a particular level, we do not have anything. So once it started moving, it should be a sell below $7.2, and currently it is trading at $6. Now scenario here is that it is moving or it is trading below a below its support level, which will now work as a resistance, right? Now you may ask here, uh, it can it be possible for the stock to again turns toward 9.7 or 10.29? In the market it can. Will it sustain? It's a big question mark. A breakdown has happened, and this is a serious breakdown backed by a very, very serious news. So do not simply judge it by market price movement. And most importantly, even if there is, let's say, if there is a price movement, or if there is a trading jump, it is just it is just to trap retail investors, nothing else. Do not participate for the time being in these kind of stocks, at least in this stock, because a breakdown has happened. And let it settle. I mean, there is nothing to settle because they have already decided, and a delisting will happen. A relisting will happen in Hong Kong. So, as a summary, keep yourself away from this. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.